For all y'all unks and big bros out there, y'all gonna love this shoe review. The Nike Air Max 10 is a blast from the past. These youngins don't know shit about these. These motherfuckers bring me back to the sandbox. For real, for real. I'm talking about elementary school, I swear. Like, if you know about these, then you know you some sort of OG. For sure. This colorway happens to be called the Hyper Blue, which is the first TN made and probably the most iconic one of all of them. These were designed by a guy named Sean McDowell. These shoes are inspired by Florida sunsets, swaying palm trees, and ocean waves. Y'all probably wonder what the TN stands for. It's not 10. It's not 10. It's not the number 10. TN stands for tuned air. Nike used calibrated hemispheres inside the air unit for more support. That gave the shoe a firmer heel for stability and a softer forefoot for flexibility. On this shoe, we get a TPU case that's inspired by palm trees, which give this shoe its signature look. On the TNs, we also get a gradient mesh upper, which is very breathable and very lightweight. We also get reflective front detailing, which is, I guess, made for like when you're running. It's made of 3M, so people can see you when you're moving in the dark and maybe in the light too. But yeah, these make this shoe pop right here. The reflective shit, you know how reflective shit is. It makes anything pop. I don't care if you were wearing a motherfucking construction vest with some 3M on there. That motherfucker gonna pop. So y'all know what I'm talking about. These are truly great for running. I just wore these to the gym and I actually ran in them. Before y'all say all you did is work out in them. No, I actually ran on them. I actually ran in them. I got on the treadmill and I ran for 30 minutes in them and they still feel great after all these years. We also get slim Nike swooshes on both sides, and it's a little funny story that happened with the Nike swoosh. I looked it up and they said that what's his name, Sean McDowell, messed up on the Nike swoosh. So it may look funny if you get your shoe and look at it. It looks funny, but they just ended up keeping it. They were cool with it, but it's funny because now this shoe is a staple. We also get this plastic cap in the front for durability. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it kind of gives the shoe character as well. It gives it a nice little retro look. These Air Max Pluses fit true to size, and narrow they're for narrow-footed people and wide-footed people. I wouldn't change up anything with these. I would just go true to size. They're very comfortable, and these are probably widely available at most places, which is a good thing, you know? That's a good thing. They're very, very comfortable if you like running shoes or lifestyle shoes. These are the ones, you feel me? And they're a classic. So if you're a new sneakerhead and you want some stuff to add to your collection, not just the new stuff that's coming out, maybe some stuff from the past to make your shoe collection plump and have variety, the Air Max Plus 10 is not a bad choice. You gotta have variety, bro. You can't just be getting all the same shit. If you're into sneakers, you gotta have shit for comfort, shit that looks good, shit for, well, that's the same thing as style. I was about to say for style, shit to dress up in. Like, if you really own this shoe shit, you really gotta be on it. You feel me? Some of y'all don't care about shoe shit, and that's cool too. But I'm saying if you got your feet in the water in your head in the water, don't be halfway going in. If you in the shit, you in the shit. So do it right and have variety. Before I forget, I still have the box to these. I'm surprised because a lot of my boxes I'm getting rid of. I'm trying to, make room. But I haven't made room for these yet. As y'all can see, you get a cool slide box for the Air Max 10s. What? I ain't been in this box in a long time. What the hell are these? I don't know what this is. Look, I got unopened shit in the box. But yeah, whatever. Anyways, the box is really cool. It looks just like the shoe, bro. But yeah, that's my review on the Air Max Plus 10s. I know y'all OGs gon' have some nostalgia from seeing these. If y'all don't have them in your collection already, I had to, bring some variety to this page. I do shoes. I mean, I do all types. What was I gonna say? Blah. Yeah, I feel like I'm always doing basketball shoes and Jordans and shit, so I'm just trying to switch it up. But yeah, it's your big bro Mosty. And yeah, that was my review on the Air Max 10s. And I'ma holla back at y'all. We signing out this motherfucker, of course.